Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now? Set the headphone on a soft cloth with the ear cup facing up so you can reach the silicone tip easily. Grip the ear cup with one hand to stabilize it and take the tip between thumb and forefinger. You'll apply steady, gentle pressure while rotating counterclockwise a short distance. This breaks the adhesive seal and unlocks the mounting ring. Move deliberately, avoid sharp pulls. Once you feel the tip loosen, prepare to pull straight off while maintaining control of the cup. Now that the seal is broken, continue the process by twisting a bit more if needed and pulling directly away from the housing. Don't angle sideways or jerk. Make sure your supporting hand steadies the driver so you don't stress the internal mount. If the tip resists, stop, twist another small amount and try again. Force can deform the silicone or damage the ring. Once removed, check the metal or plastic mounting ring for lint, silicone residue, or torn tabs, and clean gently with a dry microfiber cloth. To finish, align the replacement tip with the mount and press firmly until you feel or hear a click, confirming the locking tabs are seated. Once done, give a light tug to verify secure fit and restore the cup to normal use. If it won't seat, inspect both parts for torn silicone or bent tabs. Clean any residue with a barely dampened microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl on the cloth. Never pour liquids. If problems persist, stop and consult authorized service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.